Hello, welcome to our new videos. Today we learning alphabets A to Z. Let's learning. This is letter N. This is letter K. This is letter R. This is letter W. This is letter Y. This is letter B. This is letter H. This is letter E. This is letter S. This is letter A. This is letter L. This is letter T. This is letter C. This is letter J. This is letter D. This is letter B. This is letter F. This is letter P. This is letter Q. This is letter U. This is letter Z. This is letter O. This is letter H. This is letter P. This is letter M. This is letter L. This is letter X. This is letter F. This is letter Z. আমাদের চ্যানেলের ভিডিওগুলো ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক করবে ও চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে।